Take two.
I can announce that effective 12:01 Thursday the 3rd of March, Western Australia will resume our full border opening.
Honestly, I've just lost the trust because it's 2 years without seeing my mum. And my kids, they don't know the grandmom. They don't know the grandmom. 2 years without my parents. It's hard, very hard.
To be honest, it's a case of I'll believe it when I see it, because much like the 5th of Feb opening, I was still kind of sceptical. So to be honest, it's like it'll be nice because I have family overseas, but I'm also not betting a whole lot on it, to be honest.
The Premier says the public can trust the new date is locked in.
And I can't foresee a situation where it would change. It's only 12 days away.
Businesses, the community, families will now start to plan based on this advice, and we are very glad to see that the Premier has finally provided that date so we can have some certainty going forward.
But with new travel freedoms comes a new set of restrictions for West Australians. As of February 21st, regions where COVID-19 is already spreading will see the 2 square metre rule reintroduced in venues, a 500-person capacity limit at nightclubs and gyms, a 75% capacity limit at stadiums, and visitor limits in hospitals and aged care homes. And the indoor mask mandate will be expanded to all of WA.
I don't have an answer on how long it'll last, but I expect it'll be in place for a considerable period. And the advice we have is that states that bring them off too quickly inevitably have, or often have, an upturn in cases and often have to reinstate them.
Omicron modelling by the Health Department predicts the case numbers in WA will peak at the end of March, with around 10,000 cases per day. 443 people will be in hospital and another 53 requiring intensive care. It's anticipated there will be 4 deaths each day.
We'll have access to the private systems, beds as well as staff, and we are confident that our hospital system will cope. It will be tough. It's going to be a hard time. I'm not going to dress it up.
While restrictions are ramping up, Mr McGowan has backed down on his vaccination mandate for bottle shops following backlash from the sector and assaults on staff. Rhiannon, ABC News.